This is the secretary bird, Africa's most stylish and dangerous hunter. It looks like a model, but acts like a fighter. With long legs and graceful steps, it walks like it's on a fashion runway. But this runway is the wild savannah. It kills snakes with deadly kicks, 5 lightning-fast strikes in 1 second. One kick. It builds its nest up to 10 feet high in trees strong, safe and perfectly designed. Every day, it patrols the grasslands hunting snakes, lizards and rodents. It's nature's pest control expert. Its dramatic eye makeup is 100% natural and helps spot danger from far away. It rarely flies, but when it does, it's powerful and majestic. But its true battlefield is the ground. The secretary bird is a snake-slaying legend of Africa. Follow for more epic and rare birds like this.